The Na Pali coast is one of the most famous coastlines in the world, with towering ocean cliffs, abundant marine life, and incredible history. And no better way to experience it than by boat. Captain Andy's has been sailing the Na Pali coast for decades and offers an experience like no other. It all begins with your choice of adventure. We offer luxurious, relaxed catamaran cruises and fast-paced adventurous raft tours. No matter which one you choose, we can guarantee nobody has more fun. Our catamaran cruises offer 2 experiences daily, a morning snorkel with lunch or a sunset dinner cruise. Our morning snorkeling tour begins with a fresh continental breakfast on board and a fun snorkeling experience that brings you up close and personal with some of the most beautiful marine life Hawaii has to offer. If you're lucky, you may even come face to face with a pod of dolphins. We cruise up close to Na Pali's towering cliffs, all the while learning about its history. And during the winter months, you may even see a whale or 2 along the way. Then it's sails up. We sail back down the coast while serving you a fresh lunch prepared by our own culinary staff. We proudly source our food from local companies like Makaveli Beef and Kuamo'o Farms. Beer and wine are served along with your meal, followed by fresh baked cookies. It's guaranteed fun for the whole family. Our sunset cruise offers a pristine look at the Na Pali coastline, gorgeous views of the sunset, pods of dolphins, and an amazing locally sourced surf and turf dinner. Don't forget to try one of our signature sneaky tikis along with your meal, as our bar is open for the rest of your cruise. And it all ends with a gorgeous view of Kauai's bright orange sunset, completing a relaxing Na Pali trip. Looking for something a little more fast-paced? Then the raft tours are more your speed. They're wet, wild, and bring you up close and personal with the Na Pali coastline. From dolphins to sea caves, our rafts give the thrill of a lifetime, not to mention the most Instagram-worthy moments. Swim and snorkel along the parts of the coast made famous by Hollywood blockbusters like Jurassic Park and Pirates of the Caribbean. One of our rafting tours even stops off at the remote Nu'ololo Kai, where you can visit an ancient Hawaiian fishing village and eat lunch. Then it's back to the water for more wave jumping action. Whether you choose to see Na Pali by raft or catamaran, you'll experience our crew's award-winning aloha spirit, freshly sourced food from our own commercial kitchen staff, and amazing memories. So what are you waiting for? Captain Andy's, nobody has more fun.